Hey traders, Mike from MS100 back here with you. Part 2, we already went over the watch list. Now I'm going to go over the day's action in the market and tell you what I see setting up. Definitely like the bulls coming in here towards the end of the day, buying the market back up. I'm definitely going to show you that on the charts. There's definitely a lot of bulls out in the markets. The bear can't seem to push it down yet. So let's jump into the charts right now. Alright, so here we are. Right here we have the Dow up, down 11, the Nasdaq up 7, the S&P down 2.5, and the VIX up 0.75 through 3%. A very interesting action today. We did not make a new higher high, but we did make a little higher low here just on the daily candles. Taking a look at that, we had some doji action here in the SPY. Now, what I am looking at here is more volume has started to come into the market, and the MACD and the RSI started to turn down just a little bit. No crosses yet, but we are still overbought in both of those indicators and looking good. Now, just doing a little chart analysis here, taking a look at this move. If we do have a move down, I would definitely like to see a move down to this trend line here to buy it up. And looking at what possibly can happen is, if we do move down to this pink trend line here, we might get a bounce and a bounce right back up to the highs. We might actually start consolidating here, making a little flag here, flagging up here at the highs for another move higher. Now, if we don't hold this pink trend line, I do think we will come down and test 930 again. But I do have some upside bias since there are a lot of trend lines here on the chart and moving averages that will be acting as support on the downside. Again, I do have a target of 1007 on the upside, and I will reevaluate once that is met. I do like how the bulls did have how the bears did have control in the last 2 days during midday and the beginning of the day, yet the bulls came back to push the market up. So that is showing that there are some buyers out there, and that at these prices that there is some sort of demand for the stocks. Now, I would definitely like to see 1 or 2 or 3 more days of consolidation, bringing it back to around 96 on the SPY before we turn around and move higher. That would be nice, but we actually could move higher from this. The last 3 days I would consider consolidation, but I like to see some kind of pattern forming, maybe a little flag, maybe a bounce off of support, and to see what's going there. I'm going to draw a fib on here and see if we can get any levels on the Fibonacci retracement. Now, drawing a fib on the chart here, just in case we do move lower, looking at some levels to watch. Right around this 95.55 level on the S&P, we have a 23.6% retracement level. And right underneath this 930 level, if we do dip below, we do have the 50% retracement. So those are some areas to watch, just because we have some double support, one from the fib and 2 from other trend lines drawn here on the chart. Other than that, I do want to look for definitely some more consolidation here in the market, and to give us some more room to run on the upside. Basically, I'm just going to work on selling off some of my positions off of the watch list and getting into some cash and waiting for a new time to enter, or look for some other stocks to set up. If I do see anything setting up, I will post it on the chart. I am going to post the chart of the day tonight. That'll probably be on the site around 11 o'clock, just because I have some other things I need to do for work. Other than that, traders, good luck trading. Again, I'm open to emails. Been getting some nice thank you emails. If you want me to take a look at any of the charts or go over anything for you, I can sure enough do that. Maybe make a video, an educational video, if you have any questions on any kind of trading setups or indicators or price patterns. Other than that, traders, good luck trading tomorrow, and I'll get you out a movie tomorrow night, and I'll speak with you later.